That is provided. And then we have the mask and then the face shield. The face shield was something that we were looking at in terms of total protection for the healthcare workers that were going to don the face shield. So what we had specified to the people, the Skyward people were looking for specifications, was a complete mask that covers when the healthcare workers or the doctors are doing procedure, and a place where it has a cover in terms of doing cannulation, that there's no splashes while having that the face mask, the face shield that we are putting on. So those were the specifications that we had actually worked with the MDF to adjust. So this is adjustment.
Yes.
So the color is adjustment. This is like adjust.
Because I think is you need to put it fast here. So that is the first one we need to do. We put it here. I don't have my glasses. I will probably do different ideas.